This fantastic 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 is equipped with a responsive 5.3-liter V8 engine, an effortless 4-speed automatic transmission, has 4-wheel drive, and has only 20,717 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include an RDS audio system with a satellite link and CD player which can read MP3s, a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system, and steering wheel-mounted remote audio controls. For your comfort, this short crew cab truck has a voice-activating system and a ventilation system. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with driver and passenger front airbags with multi-stage deployment and passenger seat occupant sensors. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.
Hanson Dodge City Jeep is located west of